Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sunita from ARTY KRAFTY. In my previous episodes, I have shown several types of masks. In this context, I have come with this beautiful mask for you. So let's get started. Take A3 size any color paper of your choice of 160 GSM, okay, and you fold it vertically in half. Press on folded area, okay. Now we need to measure of this paper, the length of this paper. I have already measured it and we have 38 centimeter the length of this paper, and so we will divide it in equal 4 parts, okay. So that means we will have 9.5 for each part, okay. So I have already given the marks over there, okay. Each part has been divided in 9.5, okay. So we have this 4 equal parts of 9.5 centimeter. Now take a pencil and draw a straight line. So we have these 3 lines and 4 equal parts here. Now grab your scale and just from the right edge distance, now at about 2 centimeter distance from right edge, create a mark here, okay. 2 centimeter distance from the left edge, okay. Do the same from here. Now 2 centimeter from right edge on the top, we will create one more mark, 2 centimeter distance from right, okay. And on the last line, okay, at the last line 1 centimeter distance from this right edge, we create one more mark here, okay. Now we will connect these 2 points. Start drawing from here up to here, this last line, okay. So draw a curved line here. So we have these 2 centimeter. So just you have to maintain this 2 centimeter from here, okay. And just draw a parallel line up to this line, okay. So this area is about 2 centimeter, okay. Next grab your scale, and before that 1 centimeter distance from here, from this point, 1 centimeter distance from here, create one more mark, and here also 1 centimeter, okay, and 1 centimeter here and here. So we will draw this line, as I am doing. Just we have to connect all these mark, okay, with a curve line. Okay, so next, grab your scale. At this first one divided line, we will create a mark at about 3 centimeter above this line. Okay, one mark and 3 centimeter below this point. That means total we have 6 centimeter. 3 centimeter above this and below this 3 centimeter. Now start giving shape of eyes up to here. No need to bring this line up to here. Okay, so do the same with the lower point. Okay, now we have the shape like this, and draw one parallel line. Okay, no need to measure, just you do as I am doing. No matter if it is little bit thicker or thinner, okay, that will do. Now next, at about 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter above this line, create a point and draw a curved line up to here. Okay, so we need to cut out this one, this one. Okay, I will show you later. Now on this third part of this divided area, this is first, second, third part of this divided area, we will draw a curved line. Okay, no need to measure. Okay, so you just draw a curved line like that. Okay, so draw a curved line, and one more inside this, a small one, parallel curve line inside this. So we have this, we need to cut this one. Okay, the next step is that draw line. See carefully, leave little bit area here and then draw a line like that, zigzag. Okay, so with zigzag line we will complete this total area with zigzag line. Now here in this side also we draw this line. Now see, we have to cut these paper out. Okay, so you just cross here the area which we need to cut out. So cross, that would be convenient for you. I did not mark here with a cross line because it is easy to understand. That is why this area is easy to understand. because we need to cut this up to this first line. Okay, just like that. Now take a metallic plate or any base for cutting this paper. See that carefully, that small area should be connected with this part of that mask. Okay. We should have great patience for cutting this part. Children can take help of their parents because it is a bit risky. See, I have left a bit area connecting with this line. Okay, so you also have to follow me. Now we have this shape. Okay, this shape like that. Now flip it over and fold it from this side. This way we will have a clean area. Okay, now you fold it from the crease line like that. Okay, like that. We have this. Okay, now we need to decorate. Okay, if you have thick sketch pen or colored gel pen, you can decorate it with those decorative items. Now keep this paper aside. We have this cutout here, so we just draw some line on it for decoration. Cut this extra. You can add some design on it. Okay, keep it aside. Now take another A3 size paper of dark color of 160 GSM. That should also be thick one. Okay, and now it's time to assemble this paper. Before that, we just need to you can staple here or glue here. Okay, so I am going to use glue over there. Okay, just hold it till it is dry. This way, and we have to stick here. Okay, so for that no need to use too much glue for that. Just put a drop on it. Okay, and just you place it in the middle of this paper. Don't stretch the paper outwards. Okay, we need this 3D shape. Okay, so for that we have to be aware of this. Push it inside. See how nice that 3D shape we are getting. Okay. We have this hole here. Okay, you can assemble it like that or like that, as you wish. Okay, you can assemble it like that or like that. Okay, but before that you just decorate it with colorful pencil, pen. Okay, I am going to little bit decorate. It's not looking good. Actually, all the decoration item has been exhausted. This is the problem. Shops are closed. Thanks for watching. Hope you like my video. So please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you have any suggestion regarding this and you want to learn something more, so please write it in the comment box below. See you in the next episode. Bye.